So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy CFL tickets here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, go to the bottom left and press buy. Then go to this top bar here where it says Discover, Sports, Music, etc. Go ahead and press on Sports. Now, because we're looking for CFL tickets, we have to go ahead and change our location to Canada. So just go where it says Chicago right here and go down. Now you can scroll down a bunch of different tickets right here. So for example, if we were to go to Calgary, as an example, it'll show you Calgary Flames, etc. You can also go down to where it says Calgary Stampeders here, or in regards to football. We'll press on that, so we can go ahead and press on this game right here. Now, once you're on this screen, it'll go ahead and show you guys the seat map and what the prices are for each area. You can go ahead and select a seats right there, and if all looks good, you can go ahead and press continue. Now on this page right here, it'll show you the breakdown of the tickets, so the price, the payment method as well. So I have Apple Pay selected, but you can go Apple Pay, PayPal, Affirm, or credit or debit. So select your method there. You can also go ahead and check your section, your row, your tickets, and if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom, press buy, and follow the steps that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can buy CFL tickets here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.